WhatsApp might be the reason your phone is running out of space. It can secretly take up to 10, 20, or even 50 gigabytes of storage just from old chats, photos, and hidden files. Most people never check it, but clearing this data can instantly free up memory and boost your phone's performance. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to clean it up without losing anything important. Let's fix it right now. Method 1. Clear WhatsApp storage manually. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap the 3 dot in the upper right corner. Now, tap on Settings. Then tap on Storage and Data. Now tap on Manage Storage. Here, you'll see how much memory WhatsApp uses. You'll also see a list of your chats, each showing the space it takes. Tap on a chat to view all the files. Tap and hold any photo, video, or document you no longer need. Tap the trash icon in the upper right corner to delete. To delete everything in the chat, tap Select All and then tap the trash icon. Repeat this process for all chats you want to clean up. Method 2. Clear all WhatsApp data at once. This second method is much faster, but it deletes everything in WhatsApp. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your home screen. Tap on App Info. Then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data and confirm. After doing this, all your chats, photos, videos, and documents will be deleted from the app. You need to log back in after that. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.